All right, now let's go to our ordinal variables. Class standing, so that's like freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. Is that quantified or numeric? No, it's not. Those aren't numbers. Are values in a meaningless or arbitrary order? Well, now the answer is no. Because if you think about it, a freshman has been in college for less time than a sophomore, and a sophomore for less time than a junior, right? So there is a meaningful, objective order to those values. All right, now let's take a look at shirt size. Okay, so for shirt size, is that numeric or quantified? No, it's not really, right? Small, medium, large. And those are not in a meaningless order because, right, large is larger than medium, medium's larger than small. There's a meaningful order to it. So that lands us on ordinal and discrete. And again, ordinal data is always going to be discrete. All right, now let's take a look at place in a competition. So that is going to be like first, second, third, right? So we finally get to answer yes to this question. Is this a quantified numeric variable? Yes, it is, right? Because we see numbers, so we think it's numeric. So we say yeah. But is there an equal difference between adjacent values? So we have to think about that, right? Is there the same difference between someone in first and second place as there is between someone in second and third place? Yeah, the place is the same, right? There's a one place difference, but the time for completion between those two values is not equal. So, burp, we come over here, ordinal and discrete. All right. So now let's think about ranking movie genres in order from least to most preferred. So let's assume that the question kind of looked like what is your favorite genre, then your next favorite, and then your next favorite, and it listed all of them. And so you could have the option of saying like comedies number one, followed by documentaries, followed by dramas, and so forth. So if that's the way that you were assessing or measuring your variable, then is this numeric or quantified? No, right? But they are in a meaningful, not meaningless order because we know that, for instance, I like comedy more than I like documentaries, right? You know that you know the direction of the differences. There's a meaningful order to it.